Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm your Deutsch learner Guri, and today we are learning one of the most confusing but most important parts of German grammar, the articles. The articles are there, the and das. Don't worry, by the end of this video you will finally understand how to choose the right one easily. So let's understand what are the articles. In English we say the man, the woman, the child, but in German the changes depending on the gender of the noun. We have there for masculine nouns, the for feminine nouns, and das for neutral nouns. So der Mann means the man, the Frau means the woman, das Kind means the child. Simple so far, right, but how do we know which word is masculine, feminine or neutral? Here are some easy rules. Masculine means there, usually ends with er and ish. Their computer, their Garten, their König. Feminine means the, usually ends with e, ung, kite. Die Blume means the flower. Die Zeitung means the newspaper. Die Freiheit means the freedom. Nurture means das, usually ends with chen, lean, ment. Das Mädchen means the girl. Das Fraulein means miss. Das Instrument. Tip: most nouns that start with K are also neutral. Das Gebäude means building. So let's start how to identify the right article in Deutsch language. Firstly, masculine means there, usually male people or animals. Der Vater, der Hund. Der Vater means the father. Der Hund means the dog. Days, months and seasons. Der Montag, der Juli, der Sommer. Der Montag means the Monday. The Juli means the July. Der Sommer means the summer. Nouns ending in er, en, ish. Der Computer, der Garten, der König. Ling, der Schmetterling means the butterfly. Mnemonic tip: if it's strong or active, think of der. So let's start with our second Deutsch article. Feminine means the, usually female people or animals. Die Mutter, the Katze. Die Mutter means the mother. The Katze means the cat. Nouns ending in e, ung, height or kite, Schaft. E, die Blume, die Zeitung, die Freiheit, die Möglichkeit, die Freundschaft. Die Blume means the flower. Die Zeitung means the newspaper. Die Freiheit means the free time. The Freundschaft means the friendship. Ion, that, ik. The nation, the Universität, the music. The nation is the nation. The Universität means the university. The music means the music. Mnemonic tip is: if it ends softly or sounds elegant, it's often the. So this is our third and last article in Deutsch. Neuter means das, usually young humans or animals. Das Kind, das Baby, das Kätzchen. Das Kind means the child, das Baby means the baby, das Kätzchen means the kitten. Diminutive ending in chen or lean. Das Mädchen, das Fraulein. Das Mädchen means the girl, das Fraulein means the miss. Nouns starting with K, das Gebäude, das Gespräch. Das Gebäude means the building, das Gespräch means the conversation. Nouns ending in ment, tum, Das Instrument, das Zentrum, das Eigentum. Das Instrument is the instrument, das Zentrum means the center, das Eigentum means the property. Mnemonic tip is: if it feels small, neutral or collective, it's often das. The most common mistakes which the learners do to select their the das. So these are the mistakes. Mistake 1 is forgetting to learn nouns with their articles. Always learn der Tisch, the Lampe and das Auto. Mistake 2, assuming all E. Words are feminine expression exist their Name, their Junge. Mistake 3 is ignoring plural forms. Remember all plural nouns to take die example, die Männer, die Frauen, die Kinder. Great work, Freunde. Now you understand German articles their die and das and how to use them. In my next video, we will learn how to these articles change with German cases, nominative, accusative and dative and genitive. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment your favorite German word below. Tschüss.